Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to hide a worksheet in Excel and make it look like you're not hiding anything at the same time. Alright, so we have two worksheets here in this workbook, products and then confidential. So let's say we wanted to hide confidential. You simply right click on it, choose hide, and then if anybody looks at this worksheet and they happen to know anything about Excel, they could simply right click any worksheet tab here and they'll see that there is an unhide option which tells them there's something hidden, and they could click on it and then unhide it. And then of course you could hide it again. Go to the Review tab, protect the workbook. You could put a password as well. And then if they right click, they could see that hide and unhide are grayed out, which kind of tells them that you might be hiding something. So what you can do, let's first unprotect the workbook here, unhide this. All right, so another way that you might want to do this so you don't have to actually protect the workbook is to enable the developer tools in Excel. So if you don't have developer tools up top here, you can right click on any tab here, customize the ribbon, and then go over to the right hand column here, check developer, and then OK. Alright, so now we have developer, and then if we go over to Visual Basic here on the left, you can see we have our worksheets here and then the properties. So if you don't have the properties, you could go to View and then Properties window. Alright, so we're going to click on Confidential here, and then we have a visible section down here. Right now it's visible, so if we set it to Very Hidden and then close out of here, we can see that it's hidden, and if we right click, we still have the hide option, and then of course unhide is going to be grayed out because that makes it look like there is nothing hidden. So rather than having hide and unhide be grayed out indicating that you're trying to really hide something, we still have the option to hide, but the option to unhide is grayed out because we did it to the one confidential worksheet. And then if you change your mind, simply go back to Developer, Visual Basic, your sheet, change it to Visible, and now it's back. And then of course you have someone who's really good at Excel, they could come here to Visual Basic under Developer and check for themselves if they know what they're looking for. And of course you could come here and disable the developer section altogether. Alright, so once again, right click any tab, customize the ribbon, make sure developer is checked, then go to Visual Basic, click on your sheet, change it to Very Hidden, and that's all you got to do. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.